They used to say that drones were used for war, but now at Amazon's new online store, if you should order sneakers or a tie, they plan to send them flying through the sky. From Amazon, your package will be flown. Everybody must get drones. They used to think of drones for use as arms, but now they'll bring you stuff from hickory farms. A tiny thing just like a whirly birdie will bring your kid an Xbox or a Furby. Next time there is a new iPhone, everybody must get drones. Until the day things start to go awry, with tiny drones colliding in the sky. All life on Earth won't end with neutron bombs. The world will be destroyed by Amazon. And someday the last word you will moan is everybody just got drones.